It's the Joseph Bristol Show.
Welcome to another episode of the Joseph Bristol Show. Today's episode is an update from my book, Human Nature 7 Sons. I am currently, which is now available on ebook on different platforms. Actually, the platforms, like I said, it's not available on Amazon yet. That's coming out next month. It's not available on Amazon Kindle, obviously, or Amazon.com. The physical copy, not yet. It'll probably be published physical copy next month. Right now, it's just on ebooks. You can buy it in the Apple Store, Barnes and Nobles, which is the Nook, Baker and Taylor, Cloud Library, Diesel, Flipkart, Gardens Extended Retail, Inkterra, Kobo, Library Direct, Obillo, Overdrive, Oyster, Scribed, Sony, Tolino, Texter. So those are the ebook websites that you can currently get the book on. As far as my second book, Human Nature, Changing Faces, I'm working on that. I actually wrote it up. I just have to go over it a couple times, revise it, send it off to an editor, probably revise it again, and work on that. But I just really wanted to give this update on it. Currently, it's out, the ebook. The second book, though, it's going to be a whole lot thicker than this one right here, Human Nature 7 Sons. On an ebook level, Human Nature is about, I want to say like, I think 176 pages, something like that. So it's nothing serious. Probably like 2 hours, 3 hours. Take time to read it. If you sit and read it in one binging, yeah, it'll probably take about 2 hours, depending on how fast you read. 3 hours tops. Yeah, Changing Faces is a little bit. It's a whole lot thicker. It's easily a lot thicker. So it's a much more in-depth story, getting into more details as far as what's going on in that world that I created, that story that I created. For those who don't know, Human Nature 7 Sons, again, is my first book. Well, not my first book. I actually wrote a poetry book, Poetic Suicide. You can catch that on Amazon as well. I haven't released it on Apple and Google Play yet, but I'm working on all that probably next month. Even with Human Nature 7 Sons, that's coming out on Google Play next month as well with the physical copies and on Kindle next month. But Human Nature 7 Sons, right now you get a sample. I think it'll give you maybe 20 pages, something like that, for free. But that's not really the story. So the story of Human Nature 7 Sons is about a kid named Aries who is in love with a girl, and his love is more of an obsession, and you follow him throughout a week of his life. And in that week of his life, he goes through different things. He's going to his therapy session with his counselor, Dr. Duena, who is trying to help him figure out what's going on with his life, what's going on with him as a person, trying to help him resolve his issues with his love interest. And that just sets you up for the overall Human Nature story, which is really a story about heartbreak, a much larger heartbreak story. So hopefully, you guys check that out, read that. And for anybody who does buy it, if you do buy it and you read it, please leave a review so that other people can see your review and other people can see what you thought about the book. And it's 2018. Everybody wants to see what other people think. I'm not really sure why, but everybody cares what other people think. So if you bought the book and you read the book, go ahead and leave a review so other people can check that out. Also, let me know. I would love that. I'll give you a shout out. You let me know that you got the book. Because I get these physical copies. Anybody want me to autograph their physical copy, let me know. I'll go ahead and sign that up. But yeah, Human Nature 7 Sons out right now on ebook. Next month, physical copies coming, Google Play coming, and Amazon Kindle coming next month. So keep an eye out for that. And you might probably see some advertising on Amazon, a little advertising on Facebook. You might see that. So yeah, check it out, man. Thanks for watching another episode of the Joseph Bristol Show.
Thank you for watching another episode of the Joseph Bristol Show. Let's all never forget, we all out here trying to do the same thing. Just be happy and survive.
Make sure you like and subscribe.